Hey, it's Anvishrat here, and this particular review is one of those special reviews that I'm doing. Let me tell you before we do anything that this comes from a team of programmers I love. Alright, I don't like them, I love them. It comes from Bill or William Ortel and Aaron, and these guys create awesome plugins and add-ons for Rapid Action Profits, one of the best affiliate systems which I've been using since past 3 years. Alright, and each and every plugin and add-on which they release is priced at least $47 or more. Okay, and here's the interesting thing. I have a copy of this particular software or script right now on my hard drive because I was one of the beta testers. However, you know what? I came back to buy this. Number one reason, the price, $7.30. It's a no-brainer, right? And the second thing is, it's a polished version right now. Okay, they added a template. They made it extremely professional. So I'm gonna buy this, but before that, let me tell you what the product is. It's called WSO Pro Guardian. It's gonna make your life easier. It's gonna make releasing WSOs a bliss. Alright, you don't have to worry about people stealing your downloads or passing your download links all over after after you do so much work, spend so much money, do so much hard work to actually produce a product and then releases it as a WSO. Do you think everyone is as honest as you and me? Well, I don't think so, because, well, I use Rapid Action Profits to deliver my product, but it's a tedious process, to be honest with you. I need to set up a product on Rapid Action Profits. I need to do all loads of different things, and then create a coupon coded link, and make that the thank you page, which I put in my WSO Pro listing area, and do all sort of stuff, and it works like charm for me. However, like I said, it's a pain, and for those who don't have Rapid Action Profits, it's an expensive program, right? And I would not say it's a costly, because I find it cost effective. There's a huge difference between that, right? But for them, for those who don't really have Rapid Action Profits or not technically as sound as me, you can say, it becomes really difficult, right? So that's what WSO Pro Guardian is all about, right? You can just read the sales pages below this video and you will get to see what exactly I'm talking about. However, you might not want to do that, because I'm gonna buy it right now anyways, alright, in front of you. And yeah, while I'm buying, purchasing, let me just tell you one more thing. It's not a high-tech, I mean, of course it does the work like a high-tech complicated script, but you know what, it's just one single file, one single small file, no SQL mumbo jumbo or anything of that sort. Yep, you heard me. It is gonna make your life extremely easier. If you've never released a WSO till date, then guess what, I highly recommend that you release one. Creating WSOs is not a very big deal nowadays, right? You have so many how to make WSOs all over, right? And stuff like that. So that's one thing, right? However, just creating a product is not enough, right? I mean, you need to make sure it's professionally delivered. You can obviously rest assured about that particular thing, because WSO Pro is there, right? However, like I said, the download page can still be distributed. People still hot link your download pages. So that's not ethical. I know that it's painful. And for those of you who don't really who have not even thought about that, or if you have never realized that, I know it might just come as pain. It's a sad thing. However, we cannot really do much about that, right? I mean, of course, we can do something about that if we take action, right? I mean, we can stop them by using a system like this. Okay. So, anyways, I'm gonna click here for access. I'm gonna copy this code, the WSO key, right here. I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna show you that, alright? Buy your copy. Oh, I just noticed that I paid $7.70. It was $7.30, so it's a fast mover. Alright, WSO key used. I'm going to put this here. That's how you confirm it. Okay, cool. I never went through all these things because I got a direct review. Oh, wow. Because I directly got the a beta version a few days ago. However, like I said, this one is way better because it's a final polished product. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna download it right now. Guess what? It's already downloaded. 262 kilobytes. Can you imagine? Imagine that. All right. Okay. I'm gonna go here. Extract it. Voila. See, here's the PDF for those who, for everyone, I would say. Even if you know, even if you're a programmer, I would still recommend you go through this because it's very simple and useful for both beginners and advanced users. Because if you don't know anything about installing, if you don't know what a FTP client is, if you don't know where to get that, you have links and everything, then you get a quick overview, you know. And then, of course, getting started from here, they tell you how exactly you can install this one, right? And here's the cool thing. This is, like I said, I said it's one file. However, like I said, there were no templates and stuff like that. So this is the reason why I even bought this whole thing all over again, despite of having a copy. You see the templates and all good stuff like that, right? So that's what WSO Pro Guardian is. You just need to upload it on any website. I mean, of course, your domain, right? Your server, and then you can start using it. I'm gonna show you how. Right? Give me a sec. All right. So. As you can see, this is my FTP program. Okay, I unzipped it and I just uploaded WSO Pro as it is right here, where I have where I have my product subdirectory. Okay, so I'm obviously not going to set up a product or a WSO because it's not possible, right? Because I need to go and buy a WSO license key and do all sort of stuff. But if you have ever released a WSO, you will see what I'm talking about. All right. Now, after uploading, when I go to the URL, when I actually type that URL in the address bar, I see this. Please enter a WSO _ key in your WSO commission booster. Now, remember we just copied something right here. This is my WSO key. It is blurred again. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go back and put this in my setup.ini file, my FTP, right here. I'm gonna find the setup.ini somewhere here. Let's see. Alright, it's under product and default. Alright, default is basically the product, right? You can just rename that. Gonna edit this one. Find where it's asking me for my thing. In fact, right, see, this is something which I would do. It's very simple. I can do that because I understand the codes and everything. However, right now, sorry. So now I can just change the WSO title, right? My WSO name, WSO description, WSO keywords, and everything. Okay, and there is a reason as to why we need to modify something that looks like this instead of having a neat polished setup or installer. Because if there is an installer, then you can then SQL, that is the database, is inevitable. You need to use that as because that's how exactly it works. I mean, if you have an installer, you enter all the details and it all gets stored in database, and then the setup the script actually pulls the information from the database. So like I said, this particular this particular script is created created to be simple, right? The prime motive is to make it extremely professional, secured, a cutting edge script, yet a simple one, right? So once you do, so I'm not really going to do all those things all over, I mean, I'm not going to do that. I just want to show you what the product looks like inside and how easy it is, right? So these are very simple things. You just put your contact name, your contact URL, contact email, so you just do put all these information and just upload it on your server. That's it, and you're pretty much done with it. Now there are 3 things which you need to enter in your WSO Pro once you go ahead and actually set up a product on WSO Pro, using WSO Pro under my listing areas, then there are three categories that I always leave blank because I don't know what to put in there. But now I know what to put in there, because with this software I'll be needing I'll have to actually enter fill those details. I'm going to show you what it is. All right, give me 1 second. Now let me go to WSO Pro, my listing of my recent WSO. Alright, see, these are the things: the IP and forwarding URL, key generation URL. I need to put these information now, okay? And I'll find this information right here from this PDF where they explain what exactly key generation URL is, download URL, the IP and URL. Of course, right now the download URL, I have something in my delivery URL right here. Like I said, it's a coupon coded link, and so but after we actually use this one, this particular software, I don't have to go through Rapid Action Profits at all. So I just enter the exact URL that where I upload my product, and you'll get to know everything once you read the PDF as to where you need to upload the product, how to make it secured. Everything is described very simple terms. All right, so friends, this one gets 10 out of 10. Alright, I mean, just go grab this. And if you think that you're not a WSO vendor, you have never released a warranty special offer, or if you're thinking that you might not be able to release a warranty special offer in months or years to come, still I would highly recommend that you go and grab this one. This is not a perishable item. It's not a it's not gonna rot or something, right? And obviously it's not gonna get outdated. If there is a new update, you will receive it. But at this price, you cannot afford to miss that, because I know for a fact this is going to be a $47 or maybe a $67 product within 1 month. I'm sure about it, right? Because like I said, Bill Ortle and Aaron, they release wrap add-ons and plugins which are always which are always over 47 bucks. All right, so friends, go ahead and grab this. This is a absolute no-brainer. Any issues, support is awesome. All right, just get in touch with Bill or Aaron, and they will respond to your support tickets within 24 hours. Now that is max. I mean, I have received replies from these guys in as less as 1 hour or so. All right, so that's it. I mean, this is the kind of support you're gonna get after you purchase, and I'm pretty sure you will not have any issues. However, if you get stuck somewhere, just raise support data and you will get the right help. All right, so go, like I said, go grab it. It's a no-brainer. Okay, and once again, I would like to stress on this fact that if you think that you are not going to release the WSO in near future, still I would recommend you to go and get this, because you never know, maybe after 1 week or so you 1 week or so you might just decide to release a WSO, because it's like I said, it's not that difficult nowadays to release your own warranty special offer. It's not that difficult nowadays to create your own product, so that's said and done. So that's it. Thank you very much, and we should signing off for now. Go take right decision. Take care.